Today is Tuesday, June 1st, 2021. We're taking a look at some values that I picked up while in Japan reading this book, The Book of Virtues by William J. Bennett. And the first value that we're taking a look at today is self-discipline. How can that help you get better at Aikido? Self-discipline means the discipline or training of oneself to improve. There's also many other definitions to it, but basically you're doing things on your own to help you improve. Now, there's several things that you can do on your own that will help you improve in Aikido and help you develop this habit of building your self-discipline. Reading books is one thing. Going online and watching YouTube videos, watching this video is another thing. Picking up your sword and doing 1,000 strikes a day is definitely improving your self-discipline and your techniques in Aikido. Going to the dojo is kind of a different story. So basically, when you go to the dojo, you're adhering to a set of rules, and that is more on the discipline side versus the self-discipline side. Self-discipline is more doing things that'll help you improve on your own and basically building those habits on your own, using your willpower to get to that point where you're integrating those habits into your daily life. Picking up a sword, swinging it 1,000 times a day is not an easy task to do. It requires a lot of willpower, and within that willpower, and you're developing that value of self-discipline. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll find ways to self-discipline yourself so that you can improve at Aikido. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.